Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer we have in stock. This one's stock number 14767 and it is a 2019 6x14 off-road trailer in a single axle. This one is in a white blackout package, gives you guys the black diamond plate rock art along the bottom. You've got the black diamond plate corners as well. Great LED exterior running lights. Hopefully you guys can see those. It's really nice to know where your trailer is at night. Extended triple tube tongue with a generator platform. You also have a side swivel jack and a removable heavy duty front coupler. This one also has your side door, of course, RV lock and cam bar, so double lock protection on that side door. You also have a gutter over that side door. This one does have power in it, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet located right here. Nice and convenient next to your side door. You also have a couple windows. We'll take a peek at that more in a second, as well as the overhead aluminum roof rack with ladder. Now this is going to hold for you guys a couple 100 pounds dispersed, so you can't plan on putting a heavy generator or something that's really concentrated weight, but it's great for coolers, kayaks, anything like that. So gives you guys that external storage space there. Diamond plate diamond plate fender. You also have a 32-inch mudterrain tire and a torsion axle, so you guys are going to have independent suspension underneath this trailer. Now this one has about a 19 to 21 inch ground clearance, so you guys can really get these off-road and have some fun. You guys can check out some of our videos. We went to Moab and did an off-road trailer test a week or so ago, and we're highly impressed with the capabilities and off-road capabilities with these trailers. So you really get these off-road and have some fun. Now rear ramp door does come with spring assist close. This rear ramp door is obviously going to allow you guys to load and unload toys, so kind of dual purpose here. You also have drop down stabilizer jacks under the back. Diamond plate wrap around that rear door jamb. I love that. It kind of ties everything in nice on the trailer. Plus you've got two of the LED load light spotlights here off of your ramp door. So you're going to have plenty of light for you guys to load and unload at night. I want to get you guys a shot of this side, and then we'll go on the inside of the trailer. Now this one is insulated, so you've got insulated walls and ceiling with this unit, and then the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner, which is what you guys can see right here on your walls and ceiling. Now we also have two of the 18x44 slider windows with screens, so great cross ventilation in the trailer as well. They are tinted, so you can't see right in them, and they do lock, so nice feature there. This also has the nudo floor with Drymax and 4 D-rings in the floor, so you've got tie-down points ready to go right there. Now this nudo floor is an amazing product. It gives you guys a super durable surface right here on top, and then underneath is a Drymax product that does not absorb the water or the moisture. So much better than just having your standard plywood floors. It's going to last you guys a lot longer, and then that's on the underneath side of the trailer as well. Now we have a couple different lighting packages in here, which is really nice. It gives you guys some options. So let's talk about that. You've got your switch right back here at the ramp door. That's going to immediately flip on your LED load lights. Now these exterior load lights, as well as your 2 puck lights, are 12 volt, and they are wired to work off of this battery right here. So you've got an internal battery with a battery charger, so you can get some interior and exterior light without having to be plugged into your vehicle. So great feature there. Now you also have 30 amp service, which is this right here. You take this nice long cord, pop it through the floor right there, and that's going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip. It's also going to power up these 2 4-foot LEDs along the ceiling. So nice features there. Gives you guys, again, a couple different power sources. Now that is also going to run your interior outlet. So we've got 1 here at the back, 3 more up here at front. So it gives you guys some places to plug some stuff in. And again, that's all going to work with your 30 amp service right there. Now we also have E-track in the walls, so great tie down points there. They're also great to build bunks and beds and all kinds of stuff off of. So that E-track is kind of a dual purpose reason right there as well. I believe we have a 7-foot interior height in here, but check that description down below to clarify that for you guys. And again, we've got 6 foot wide and 14 feet of length. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, we would love to earn your business. Please give us a call, 303-688-8485. We are the exclusive home of the off-road trailer, and we do have shipping options available for you guys. If you don't live near us, that is okay. You can give us a call and we'll get you a shipping quote. So again, 303-688-8485, or check us out online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com. And we do have a price on this unit at $12,477 plus tax.